Hello there and welcome back to the Space Simulation Toolkit. Today we're going to be taking this very ordinary planet, which for some reason has wildfires. Yeah, we're going to be trying something quite new, which I haven't tried before, and it's lagging. Oh, I might need to get rid of some of the water because there is quite a bit of water right now. So if I just get rid of all of this, then that should mean that we lose a bunch of water. I can also go and just get rid of some ice. And this should mean that it's going to be a lot less laggy soon. Anyway, what I want to try to do is I want to try to get some gravity, and things are already floating towards it. For now, I'm just going to put its power down to no. Well, this is interesting. So, we've now got a very hot core, because everything is not normal. I need to change the max stoke on stone. Put the max stoke down, although I'll put that down in a minute. Our planet is just exploding. This is... well, I don't know what's about to happen, and I have a feeling that it's not going to be good. Max stock of stone is all the way down now, so yeah, this is there's stuff just flying out so quickly. Well, let's see how this ends up. Okay, so yeah, nothing exciting is really happening. I don't think that there's gonna be very many plants growing, so I'm just gonna load this again and go and just gonna fix the max stock first of all, and I'm gonna resave it. Actually, I'm gonna put the max stock down, and then I'm gonna get rid of some of this ice, just to get it even less laggy, because this is for experimental stuff and it's gonna be for doing stuff. So if I just quickly press play, yeah, this is kind of interesting. Anyway, so now we finally can actually get to what I was going to do. And this time, I'm not going to make the mistake of putting the gravity way up. I think putting the multiplier down is how to do it. Yeah, so I'm just going to put the multiplier all the way down, leave the gravity at 1. And then I'm going to put this in the middle of the planet. I don't think that there's anything weird happening. No. Oh, I just realised actually we can't have this orbiting. So that plan isn't going to work then. So what I might have to do instead is just move this planet out of the way for a second. And then quickly do this. And I'm just going to get some stone. Put the stone over like here or something, I don't know. I'm going to first of all get rid of this, just clear out the area. Where's the center? Oh yeah, there's the center. And I'm going to put it, actually I'm going to have it kind of like over here. There we go, that's a good size. And then I'm gonna do this. Okay, never mind, I just kind of ejected it out of the solar system. The planet is currently... Oh, I just remembered what I could do. Never mind. What I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna pin the planet. Is that pinned? Is none of this going to be moving anymore? Okay, good, so none of that's moving. Apart from the fire, but that doesn't really count. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get rid of all of this. And then, now I'm going to get some stone. And I'm going to let it fall for a little bit first. Or actually, what we could maybe try to do is put a magnet into here. And then make it, I don't know, quite a strong magnet. Okay, now what we're going to do, now that that moon is going, is we're going to start spinning it. But hopefully gravity should keep it in orbit. Come on, please. Please. I can kind of edit gravity myself, well not edit really, but kind of influence it. Get it to keep on falling towards the planet, but at the same time get it to kind of orbit. No, it started spinning too quickly. Okay, if I turn on node gravity, then will this work? It should. Is anything node gravitying? Come on, please. Please tell me it's starting to kind of clump up and it's doing gravity. What if I just make node gravity way stronger? Yeah, I think that did it. I think that we have it though. I think that what we've got to do though now is just make a little moon. In fact, we can delete. Oh, actually, no, we can just let some meteors happen. There we go. That's a good sized moon. And I'm gonna get it to start falling. And I'm going to get the moon to hopefully start orbiting. Come on, please, please, please. We've got to get something to start orbiting. Please, come on. Come on. Just go. Orbit. I just slow it down a little bit. Oh. Okay, that was cool. We just had an epic collision. That, you know, since orbit isn't really working, that's just given me idea. First of all, I'm gonna unpin everything. So there we go. Everything should now be moving again. And oh, look at that! Here we've got some meteors happening. It's been have I ever actually done just some small, reasonably sized meteors like this? I mean, with how fast they're going, they're a bit, they're not very reasonable. But you can see that they are absolutely colliding, and it's very cool. Oh, this is. I feel like I might have actually accidentally created a very well done ecosystem, although the only problem is that there's not really that much water or dirt left on the planet, so I might have to just go and add some in. Just kind of right under the surface. I mean, this is going alright. Oh yeah, it does well in the ice. I might just do a little bit of that. Yeah, and then that should kind of, yeah. Top layer of dirt just needs to be top layer of stone. I'll give it a little bit more water as well. Just a little bit. Actually, I think that there is some stuff orbiting. For example, these rocks. Yeah, there is. We actually kind of have got orbit. So, for example, this is kind of a moon, I guess. If I make it a little bit bigger, then that, whoopsies, I just kind of exploded it. You know, hopefully this isn't too bad. Hopefully it's just kind of a mild meteor shower and doesn't absolutely destroy the entire planet. I mean, it's lit the entire surface on fire. We're about to have another meteor very grazing blow. That was cool. This is interesting. Yeah, a lot of our little moons are kind of exploding. Yeah, I can't really make them bigger. Yeah, all of our moons are kind of just falling from the sky. That is something that you definitely don't ever want to say. Wow. Anyway, I wonder if I could kind of make the planet rotate a little bit, just by kind of rotating the core. Oh. Hopefully that does what I think it should do. And yeah, I mean, if the planet reforms, then this is gonna work well. It's gonna hopefully keep its spin and its moons. Actually, I wonder if I can just kind of draw a little stone, and then I can just give it a little bit of movement in this direction. then hopefully that should now start orbiting. And actually our planet is still spinning, which is good. And the spin might actually give us a couple of volcanoes. Well, they're probably not, because I don't really have actual life set to be very volcano-y. Also, this moon has just completely left. Come on. Go back, please. Yeah, I think that it's a lost cause. You know what? I'm just gonna go and set lava to be very floaty, and then I'm gonna just reset. Yeah, you people for some reason really like it when I do volcanoes, so I'm just gonna volcano time. Yeah, look at that. That is massive volcano. I can also probably go and increase the thing of stone. Increase the gravity a little bit. To make up for the fact that that lava is now very floaty. And that should not only force it to the surface more, but it should also mean that, where's the select all graph? I'm not sure what that means. Oh no, here it is. Yeah, big volcano time. And because stone has much higher gravity now, it should close up this gap much faster. There we go, look at that. Realistic. That's cool. Also, look at this, our moons are actually still working. We still have some moons. I wish you could have the gravity nodes orbit, because that might kind of work if you have it going slowly enough. Oh, I've got a feeling that something's about to happen. The problem actually is that dirt is kind of floating not to the surface, so we don't really have any plant. Actually, we do have kind of some plants. Oh, this is about to be a big one. Yeah, that is going. That's a massive volcano. You can see where all of the volcanoes have been. So you can see, for example, there was a little one over here, quite a big one right here, and this one is that one's actually a lot smaller than I expected it to be. It got closed up quite quickly, and now it's just kind of slowly seeping out. Although actually, I kind of have a feeling that we're about to have a little bit more. Yeah, we're about to have another eruption, and I might actually just put a little bit of water into here, put the sea distance down a little bit, and have some volcanoes the good old-fashioned way. That was a bit too much. Maybe this is a better amount. Nope, never mind, because CDE heat and particles are still flying through other stuff. If the dev is watching this, can we have a setting where particles, just if they collide with something else and they're surrounded on every side, they just kind of just stop, to stop it from flying out the planet? Put it as like kind of an optional thing so that we can still have it, because it probably wouldn't be the most realistic to have it that way, but it would increase realism. Or you could just find some other way, because the dev of this game is probably smarter than me. Anyway, if we want volcanoes, then we can just go and do this. The old way doesn't work anymore. Anyway, I've gone way off track. So I'm going to go into planet and I'm just going to have it blank. So, has it loaded? Or have I crashed the game? I don't know. But there we go. I did not crash the game, but I managed to get it working. So, I'm going to put the seas distance up to about 1.2. And I'm just going to make a little piece of rock. Just a random, literally doing nothing piece of rock. And I'm going to turn on no gravity, and I'm going to put it if I increase the power, does that make it less? Yes, it does. That is, for some reason, doing stuff. I don't know what it's doing. I might have crashed the game. So I took a little break, and I'm deciding what to do for now. I might need to go and put the stone max stuck way down so that stuff actually works again. And I'm also going to check sand, just in case. Okay, good, that doesn't have a max stuck. So for now, I'm just going to be waiting. And watching stuff move very slowly until hopefully it can form a planet or something, I don't know. You know what, the one thing that I might do is just give everything a little tug. Give everything some movement towards the interior. And put CD, E, whatever, no gravity up a little bit as well. That's not where I expected it all to be attracted to, but I guess it kind of makes sense. It might be that it's working out like the average of everything, or I don't know, that might just be how it works. Because this is the middle, isn't it? Yeah, that's the middle. So we're gonna have a planet very slowly being formed. Actually, I might just make a ginormous chunk of stone over here. And then just okay, that actually might have complicated things a little bit, but it should be fine eventually. For now though, everything is still kind of reforming. I'm also just going to delete all of this nothing stuff up here. So now we will wait and we will see what happens. I gave everything a little bit more momentum, and you can see that things are absolutely starting to create some kind of planet. I don't really know what this is. In fact, I probably just there we go, just give it a little bit of a core. There we go. We'll also increase the power of no gravity again by a little bit. There we go. Gonna go and increase the gravity on stone a little bit. Maybe I just need to put the max velocity up a little bit. No, gravity is too complicated. I don't know what this even is. Oh, we were trying to do like collisions. What are we even doing? If I put one of these over here and one of these over here, they should go together, and they should actually. I know gravity might be a little bit too high. See, that was cool. Now if I just going to put a little bit of a rock thing over here and on over here, but much bigger. Look at that, that was cool. So we got just a little asteroid, not really doing anything. Where's it flying? I'm not really sure where it's going, but if we create, hang on, if we create kind of just a big wall, slowly, and then just kind of just pin it, then this, it should just work if we put just a little asteroid thing over here. Is it pinned? It's not moving. Maybe I need to unpin this. What? That's weird. Why did no gravity just turn off? Is there too much stuff? Can it not simulate? Oh, there we go. I think we've worked it out. Yeah, now I'm just gonna give it a little bit of... Actually, what would happen if I just gave it a little bit of resistance? Oh. Oh, wow. Collisions in this game are amazing. So if we just go and put the siege distance up to about 1.2, And then we do this. There we go, that should be basically fine. Not sure where it's getting random momentum from. Not sure why node gravity is still so strong. There we go, that's good. So now if we do this. If I just make a whole bunch of little asteroids, then, oh, we're starting to get a little bit of lag. This one right here might actually orbit. No. Okay. Hang on, are these two gonna collide and then, oh wow, okay. Might be time for me to take a thumbnail because I do kinda need to do that. There we go, I don't really know which one's gonna look the best. Oh, look at this, we've kind of created a moon. Almost, not really, but you know. This might start orbiting each other. So it's been a while, these have started to kind of cool down. And I moved this one a little bit closer, and they are kind of in a little bit of a stable orbit. I might be able to, if it gets too close, I might be able to kind of just drag this so that they don't collide. But it actually kind of looks like this is orbiting this. And if it ever gets too close, I can probably just do that, do that. Is that fine? Is that fine? Hopefully that's fine. Look at this, it's actually kind of orbiting. Okay, other planet is starting to get kind of angry. Although, I think that this should be, that I think we've actually done orbit. I think that we've actually done orbit. Once this gets to there, it's going to be better. So I've tried to shape the orbit a little bit better, and I think that I might have actually kind of perfected it. And also I might kind of do a little bit of this, just to get them to be orbiting each other a little bit better. Come on, we need them to be moving towards each other actually. If I get them like that, and then I just stop that. Come on. Come on. No, other way, other way, other way. I meant like this, I meant like that. Come on. Come on, orbit, please. Actually, what if I just... Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What if I just get them moving towards each other like this, really fast, and then I kind of just move this one out of the way a little bit. Orbit, now, please, come on. What if I just add a little bit more material to this? Come on, just stop all of its momentum. Give it a little bit more stone, a little bit at a time. Increase the sea distance. Too much. Okay, what? Excuse me? That's too much. Although actually it might be just the right amount. That was weird. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I guess I'll see if this turns into an orbit. This game is too complicated for me sometimes. I don't know why stuff isn't gravitying. Well, yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't have a GoFundMe so I can go to Ecuador and help people in poverty and need, as well as doing a like and subscribe. Reforestation in the Amazon rainforest. I guess that I'll see you all next time. This is weird. Bye.